1926.1434 Equipment modifications for Subpart C. Cranes and derricks in construction. 1926.1434 A. Modifications or additions which affect the capacity or safe operation of the equipment are prohibited except where the requirements of paragraphs A1, A2, A3, A4, or A5 of this section are met. 1926.1434 A1. Manufacturer review and approval. 1926.1434 A1 I through A1 3. The manufacturer approves the modifications/additions in writing. The load charts, procedures, instruction manuals and instruction plates/tags/decals are modified as necessary to accord with the modification/addition. The original safety factor of the equipment is not reduced. 1926.1434 A2. Manufacturer refusal to review request. The manufacturer is provided a detailed description of the proposed modification/addition, is asked to approve the modification/addition, but it declines to review the technical merits of the proposal or fails, within 30 days, to acknowledge the request or initiate the review, and all of the following are met. 1926.1434 A2 I. A registered professional engineer who is a qualified person with respect to the equipment involved. 1926.1434 A2 I, A, and B. Approves the modification/addition and specifies the equipment configurations to which that approval applies, and modifies load charts, procedures, instruction manuals and instruction plates/tags/decals as necessary to accord with the modification/addition. 1926.1434 A2 The original safety factor of the equipment is not reduced. 1926.1434 A3 Unavailable manufacturer. The manufacturer is unavailable and the requirements of paragraphs A2 I and 2 of this section are met. 1926.1434 A4 Manufacturer does not complete the review within 120 days of the request. The manufacturer is provided a detailed description of the proposed modification/addition, is asked to approve the modification/addition, agrees to review the technical merits of the proposal, but fails to complete the review of the proposal within 120 days of the date it was provided the detailed description of the proposed modification/addition, and the requirements of paragraphs A2 I and 2 of this section are met. 1926.1434 A5 Multiple manufacturers of equipment designed for use on marine worksites. The equipment is designed for marine worksites, contains major structural components from more than one manufacturer, and the requirements of paragraphs A2 I and 2 of this section are met. 1926.1434 B Modifications or additions which affect the capacity or safe operation of the equipment are prohibited where the manufacturer, after a review of the technical safety merits of the proposed modification/addition, rejects the proposal and explains the reasons for the rejection in a written response. If the manufacturer rejects the proposal but does not explain the reasons for the rejection in writing, the employer may treat this as a manufacturer refusal to review the request under paragraph A2 of this section. 1926.1434 C. The provisions in paragraphs A and B of this section do not apply to modifications made or approved by the UES. Military.